Start by putting a main topic here. It can be an AWS service or something else that you think you want to talk about. Then write the audience that you want the talk to be addressed to. And then what is the outcome in mind? What do you want them to learn, think, or feel after you've given your talk? From these 3 inputs, some topics ideas will be generated. If you don't like them, you can retry. Then you put here your chosen subtopic. From there, you get some title variations. I'll choose the second one. Put here the title that you've chosen. And from there, you get 3 takeaways for your talk. A talk abstract with around 300 words for your talk and catered specifically for the audience, for the subtopic, the title, and with the 3 takeaways in mind. Then you get a suggested demo for your talk. Finally, a presentation outline with 9 slides and what to put on each slide. Here you get some general tips for public speaking. And then finally, you get an image for each of the slides that are here in the presentation outline.